Good morning and welcome to the Manatee County EMS Health and Wellness Group Cooking Show. Now, I don't have a snappy name for it, but that's going to be your guys' responsibility to come up with that name. And I'm just the stand-in chef because you guys are going to be the chefs and I'll be the guy doing all the AV stuff. But this is your group. I just wanted to pitch this idea because I think it's cool. Because when we talk about health and wellness, diet is a big part of that. If you want to get healthy, you got to eat right. And there's that old saying. It goes, if you work out and you really want to get, into fitness and you want to improve your physique, that's 20% what you do in the gym and 80% what you do in the kitchen, right? So that's so important to get your diet squared away. So today, I'm going to introduce you guys to Truffles. What is a truffle? A truffle is basically anything that you throw on a waffle iron. And this one we're going to make today is going to be just a lower carb, higher protein version of fried food. Everybody likes fried food, right? But fried food it's not good for you. It's greasy, it's oily, it's high in calories, little nutritional value. But today I'm going to show you an alternative to that. And you're not going to miss fried food at all with this truffle. And it's so easy to make, very simple ingredients. You can see here we have these Dash mini waffle makers. They're very inexpensive. I got these for like 10 bucks at Target. And we have some other very simple ingredients here. We got some cheese and we got I got a couple beaten eggs here with some spices in it. I like Danos because Danos is the most amazing spice, versatile spice. You put it on everything. It's delicious. Put a little bit of that in there. And then I have some jalapenos because I like it spicy. But you could do anything that you like fried. Fried pickles, very popular restaurant appetizer. You could put anything in here to get that fried kind of texture. There used to be this little restaurant off of State Road 64 East around the 2700 block. I think it's a brewery now. But my wife and I used to like to go there and eat because they had this appetizer called bottle caps. And all they were was little fried jalapenos and they were magically good, fried, delicious goodness. And I love them, but of course they're not good for you. So when I discovered this whole truffle thing, I wanted to reproduce that as closely as I could, those bottle caps. So today I'm going to show you how to make those. It's so easy. And you can see the very simple ingredients here. Just some shredded cheese, jalapenos, the egg wash I mentioned, and of course ranch for dipping. Why ranch? Because ranch is good on everything. It's the most versatile, amazing dipping sauce in the world. And the shredded cheese that I have here, I pre-shredded it with a little shredder that I got on Amazon because did you know that the shredded cheese you buy in the store is very unhealthy? They put these fillers in there and these anti-caking agents to keep it from sticking together. So you know what? If your cheese sticks together a little bit, that's okay. You don't need all that weird stuff so it looks pretty in the bag, so it looks pretty on the store shelves. That's all they care about. They don't really care about your health and nutrition. So shred your own cheese. All right, here we go. So this is so simple to make, it's just going to blow your mind. So we got these little Dash waffle makers here. So I'm going to open them up. And I already turned them on and plugged them in, so I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming off of there, but they're nice and warmed up. You can spray some Pam on there or some olive oil spray if you want, but they're so great and non-stick that you don't really have to worry about that. All right, we're going to start with the cheese. So you're going to grab about a tablespoon of cheese, and you're going to put it right on that little Dash waffle maker. Put it right on there. And that's going to kind of form that crispy outer crust. And then you're going to take a little bit of your egg, beaten egg, and you're going to pour that right on there. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Now you're going to place your jalapenos right in there. If you like a lot of jalapenos, a little bit of jalapenos, it doesn't matter how many jalapenos you like. I like it spicy, so I'm going to put a lot of jalapenos in there. And then you put some more cheese on top of that. Boop, right on there. About another tablespoon of cheese probably. I just eyeball it. Now we're going to close that waffle maker and we're going to let it cook for about 3 minutes. That's all it takes is about 3 minutes to get that cheese cooked down nice and crispy. And now that I know the egg sounds weird, but trust me, once it integrates with the cheese, and egg has a very mild flavor, and if you spice it up right, you're not even going to really know this is egg. But with the cheese, And the egg, we can see this is a lower calorie, higher protein version of the fried and crispy foods that we love. Because if we're, you don't really want to restrict your diet. You want to try to find a way to satisfy all those cravings that you have. And this will definitely satisfy that crunchy, crispy, fried kind of craving that you might get from time to time. Okay, folks, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to take the truffle off the waffle maker. Be careful, it's hot. So just take a little fork and we'll pull it right off of there. Oh yeah, look at that. You hear that? You hear that? That crispiness on the outside, it's so good. Now, here, let me hold that a little bit closer to the camera. Look at that goodness. Now take a pizza cutter or a knife or whatever, and I like to cut it into strips because it just makes, again, be careful because it's hot. It just makes it so much easier for dipping because you gotta dip these things. It just makes it, delicious. Ooh, it's hot. So be careful. It's hot. We're actually gonna cut this. There, we gotta cut it into strip. Oh, you can smell the jalapeno, you can smell the cheese. It smells amazing. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Do you smell the smell-o-vision? I don't know, we need to work on that technology. How do we do that? Okay, I'm gonna let this cool down for just a second, and then we're gonna give it a try. All right, it's cooled down enough to handle it. Get your ranch dressing, your favorite dipping sauce. Dip that sucker in there. I'm chewing with my mouth open a little bit because I want you guys to hear the crunch. It's so crunchy, so crispy. You taste the seasoning. And taste the jalapeno. Fantastic, folks. Truffles, you can see, super easy to make, super fast to make. Great snack, great breakfast, great lunch. Make them for dinner as a side. Appetizers for your friends. The world is your oyster. All right, folks, that's going to be it for our first edition of our health and wellness group cooking show. I hope you'll tune in next time where who knows what we're going to make. It's exciting. Tune in, take care, and have a great day. I'm going to eat some more of these.